In this video we're giving an honest review of the Emirates NBD Dnata Platinum credit card to see if it's really worth applying for. This card comes with a joining and annual fee of AED 525 and offers Dnata points rewards, up to 15% back at Dnata Travel, Costa Coffee, and City Sightseeing, 10% at partners like MMI, and 1% on everyday spending. It also includes travel perks like complimentary lounge access through MasterCard Travel Pass and flexible installment plans for large purchases. However, it's important to note that the annual percentage rate is quite high, around 41.88%, if you don't pay your balance in full, and cash advance or foreign currency fees can add up. Some users have mentioned that redeeming Dnata points isn't always convenient, with limited options and higher prices compared to direct bookings. Overall, if you travel frequently and spend often with Dnata partners, this card can offer decent value, but for casual users the fees may outweigh the perks. If you found this review useful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest and unbiased reviews on financial and tech tools.